The first thing that you have to do is register a domain and get hosting service. So our domain is our web address, and hosting allows you to store all of your content and run your website. So we need both of these to run a WordPress website. So what we're going to do is go to a website called hostgator.com to get this. So in your web browser, type in www.hostgator.com and push enter. And now you should be on the HostGator website. So I use HostGator for each and every one of my websites because they're super fast, really reliable, and they have great customer service. And that's why I'm going to recommend them to you. So once you come to this page, what I want you to do is click on the link that says web hosting. And now you should be on the web hosting page, and you can see down here there are a few different plans: the Hatchling, Baby, and Business plan. The business plan is a little bit too much for what we need, so we're going to focus our attention on the Hatchling and the Baby plan. So the Hatchling plan is if you want to make one website and one website only, then you want to select the Hatchling plan. If you want to host more than one website on your account, then you want to select the Baby plan. So for this demo, what I'm going to do is select the Hatchling plan. So select the one that you want, and once you're ready, just click on the button that says sign up now. And once you're on the sign up page, I've already filled some stuff out just to save some time, but I'm going to walk you through this step by step so that you can register a domain and get hosting service. So the first thing that you want to do is come to where it says choose a domain and make sure that you're on the register a new domain tab, and you want to type in the web address that you want to register. So I've typed in howtowebby.com, and once you push enter, you'll get some search results. And if you see the green check mark next to the web address that you want to register, then we're good to go and we can move on to the next step. If you don't see the green check mark, what you have to do is type in a new web address and search to see if that one's available. Okay, so once you're ready, what I want you to do is come down towards the bottom of the section, and down here is the domain privacy section, and you don't really need this. So what I recommend that you do is uncheck this, and you can always add this back a little bit later. But right now, it's just an extra charge. So I would recommend that you uncheck this, and if you want it, you can always add it back a little bit later. Okay, so once you're ready, let's come down to step number 2. And once you're on step number 2, this is where you're going to choose the hosting plan that you want. So what you want to do is go into this drop down and select the plan that you want. And if you remember, the Hatchling plan is if you want to make one website and one website only. And then the Baby plan is if you plan on hosting more than one website on this account, you want to select the Baby plan. So for this example, I'm going to select the Hatchling plan. And then what I want you to do is come down to the billing cycle. And in this drop down, you can select the terms that you want. So what I usually recommend is that you select 6 or 12 months just to give yourself enough time to know whether or not you want to run a website or not. So for this example, I'll select 6 months. And then you want to create a username and a security pin. And once you're ready, we can come down to step number 3. So step number 3 is entering your billing information. So if you need to, you can pause this video and fill out all of this information. I already have an account, so I'm not going to fill out this information with you. And once you're ready, go ahead and push play, and then we'll move on to the next step. Otherwise, we're just going to move on to step number 4 right now. So step number 4 is adding additional services, and by default, HostGator selects a few of these for you. So what you want to do is uncheck these because these are services that you don't really need right now, and you can always add these back a little bit later. And in the video description, I will link you to a video that I made on creating your own email address using your web domain for free. So you don't need this additional service. And that's going to be in the video description, so check that out. So uncheck these boxes, and once you're ready, come down to the most important step, which is entering a coupon code. So step number 5 is entering a coupon code, and by default, HostGator puts in a coupon code for you, and you can see the discount down here. And sometimes there's a discount and sometimes there isn't. But what I want you to do is delete this coupon code and type in this special one that HostGator has given us. It's NYC Tech 30. So NYC TECH 30, and then click on validate. And what you'll notice is that the discount increases from 50 to 60% off because this is the highest coupon code available on HostGator. So make sure that you type in NYC Tech 30 and then click validate so that you can see the discount increase right here. And once you're ready, all I want you to do is come down here and click on I have agreed to the terms, and then click on checkout now.